In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana if you're collaborating on projects and need to involve people outside your organization, like contractors, clients, or partners. Asana's guest feature is a secure and straightforward way to give them access without exposing your entire workspace. I'll guide you through the entire process, making sure you know exactly how to invite guests and what that experience will look like for everyone involved. First things first, let's talk about what a guest is in Asana. Guests are users who are not part of your Asana organization's domain, meaning their email doesn't match your company's email. This is especially helpful if you're working on projects with external collaborators and want to keep certain information private. Asana lets you add them to specific projects or tasks, so they only see what you want to share. To get started, open up Asana and head to the project where you want to add your guest. You'll see a Share button, usually located at the top right of your project's main page. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking you to invite people. In the invitation box, enter your guest's email address. Remember, since guests don't have an email with your organization's domain, use their work or personal email, whatever address they'd prefer to use for accessing Asana. After you enter their email, Asana will show you a short summary explaining that this person is being added as a guest and will only have access to what's shared with them. You can also choose what level of access they'll have for the project, like whether they can edit tasks, add comments, or just view updates. Make your selection based on what makes sense for your collaboration. When you're ready, click the Send Invite button. Once your guest receives the invitation in their inbox, all they need to do is accept. After that, they'll be able to access the project and participate in discussions, add or complete tasks, whatever permissions you've set. They'll only see projects and tasks they've been specifically invited to, ensuring the rest of your organization's work stays private. Here's a quick tip. If you need to add multiple guests, just repeat this process for each person you want to invite. And if you ever need to change a guest's access or remove them, go back to the project sharing settings, find their name, and adjust their permissions or remove them altogether. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily add external collaborators as guests in Asana, helping your team work smoothly with people outside your regular organization while keeping your workspace secure and organized. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.